Two beautiful puppies here.
Αυτή είναι η Αγάπη.
One girl and one boy.
Ναι. Και αυτός είναι ο υιοθετής. Πώς το λέω, μα.
Πώς θα ονομάσατε?
Αυτός είναι ο Γκούφι και αυτή είναι η Αγάπη.
Η Αγάπη και ο
Γκούφι.
Goofy. So, his name is Goofy. And her name is Agapi. Agapi in Greek means love. And we have a mother with daughter here from Agios Nikolaos. It's about 35 minutes from my city. Very close to me, about 35 minutes from my city. And they fall in love with the puppies and they are adopting them in the same house. Agapi and Goofy.
Yes.
Agapi and Goofy. Agapi and Goofy are puppies of Iris. It's Iris puppies. It's two of the 4 puppies from Iris family. And they are going to be adopted in the same house.
Ναι, Αγάπη.
That's the best. And the family, they go hiking in the mountains. They have bees, eh?
Ναι.
They have bees and they go in the mountains. So the puppies will have a great time.
We
Να είστε
have
καλά.
also many beaches around to run. And if they want to swim.
Super, super. There's a lot of beautiful beaches around so they can swim, they can run. We will see a lot of videos and photos.
Yes.
Yes, we will.
We can take them.
Thank you so much, eh? Ευχαριστούμε πάρα πολύ. Ευχαριστούμε.
Thank you to Takis.
Thank you.